In this video I'm going to show you how to add file upload in Google Forms. So if you would like that people can answer with file uploads on your questions, then you can use this option. We will scroll all the way down into our form and then click on the right option over here, the right menu, and click on the plus sign to add a new question. Now as you can see, we have the new question over here, and now we can say something like upload your photo here. Now the next step will be to click on the multiple choice option. Click on that, and after that select the file upload in the menu. Select that option, then click on continue, and once you have done that, then you can allow only specific file types. So select that one because you would like that people only can upload their photos. So we will select the image option, and once you have done that, then you can select the maximum number of files. So let's say you only would like to receive one picture, then select the one. If you would like to receive more pictures, then you can set this up till 10 pictures. So we will leave it on 1 for now, and the maximum file size I would recommend to keep this on something like 100 MB, so the good quality pictures can also be uploaded over here. So the next step will be to make this required, so select this option down here. So people have to answer and have to upload a photo as an answer. The next step is to publish your form, and once you have done that, then people are able to upload photos or files into your Google form. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!